Hi, in this video, we are discussing a trigonometric identities question. And the question is, fn of x equals 1 over n times sine to the power nx plus cos to the power nx, where x belongs to real numbers and n is greater than or equal to 1. Then find the value of f4 of x minus f6 of x. So let's get started without wasting much time. So we are given with fn x equals 1 over n sine to the power nx plus cos to the power nx. And if we replace n with 4, we will get 1 over 4 sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. And we'll try to simplify it further by using some algebraic identities. So we have 1 over 4 times sine to the power 4x can be written as sine square, and cos to the power 4 can be written as cos square. And now this is in the form of a square plus b square, which is same as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So we can write 1 over 4 sine square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 sine square x cos square x. And we know that sine square x plus cos square x equals 1. So using sine square x plus cos square x as 1, we'll have 1 over 4 times 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So I'll call this as equation 1. Now finding f6. For f6, it will be equal to 1 over 6 sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x and which can be written as sine square x cubed plus cos square x cubed, which is in the form of a cubed plus b cubed, which is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. And if we replace a and b with sine square and cos square, we can write 1 over 6 times sine square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3 times sine square x cos square x times sine square x plus cos square x. And we also know that sine square x plus cos square x equals 1. So that means we have 1 over 6 times 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. So I can call this as equation 2. f4 minus f6 is equal to 1 over 4 times 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x minus 1 over 6 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. And if you open the brackets, we'll get 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2 sine square x cos square x minus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 2 sine square x cos square x. And we can cancel out 1 over 2 sine square x cos square x. So we are left with 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6, which is same as 3 minus 2 over 12 or 1 over 12. And there you have it. I hope you'll find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.